Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a weight loss banana smoothie which is perfect for breakfast, and it will keep you feel fuller and satiated till lunchtime, and hence you will not feel the need to have a mid-morning snack. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make banana smoothie, I'm using old-fashioned rolled oats. I have already heated a small kadai, and into that I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of rolled oats, and I'm lightly roasting the oats. Now the reason why you need to roast the oats is that roasting the oats will reduce the phytic acid content in oats. Now instead of roasting the oats, you can also soak the oats overnight and use in this smoothie. Reducing the phytic acid content in oats is a must to help with digestive issues like bloating and stomach upsets. Always try to roast the oats, or you can soak the oats overnight. Once the oats is lightly roasted, turn off the flame and allow this to cool down. Now into my high-speed blender, I'm adding in 1 cup water. Instead of plain water, if you want a cold smoothie, you can use 1 cup of ice cube or even use frozen bananas. Now the banana I'm using is ripe and it has even started to blacken. So using very ripe bananas will give natural sweetness to the smoothie. Hence you won't need to add any extra sweetener. So try to use ripe bananas when making banana smoothie. Instead of fresh banana, you can also use frozen banana. Using frozen banana will make the smoothie creamier and thicker. I have already shared many recipes where I'm using frozen bananas in the smoothie. All the links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. And into this I'm adding in a small stick of cinnamon. If you're using cinnamon powder, use half teaspoon. Cinnamon not only helps in fat burning but also gives a nice flavor and a light sweetness to the smoothie. For extra sweetness, I am adding in 2 dates. This is entirely optional. You can totally omit if you don't prefer that extra sweetness. Now when you're using dates, try to use soft medjool dates. Add in the 3 tablespoons roasted and cooled oats. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the blended banana smoothie into a serving glass. For some extra omega-3s, I'm sprinkling in half teaspoon chia seeds. And for healthy fats, I'm sprinkling in 2 tablespoons of crushed and roasted peanuts. Now instead of peanuts, you can use almonds or cashew nuts or any nut of your choice. And my healthy and filling banana smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this weight loss banana smoothie and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.